Hey guys, Tony. So I've had a lot of people asking me how much I've actually made recently, or within the last year of 2021. Which is fine. I don't mind telling people, but here's like my all-time chart for crypto, right? I mean, obviously start at zero. I put some money into it, and then I wasn't really caring too much about crypto for a while. I was really just doing stocks, and then let me see. When I actually started trading crypto was around this level. I think early this year, like around February. And I started with I actually put in like 10K and I withdrew it because I'm like, oh fuck this. I don't want to do crypto. I'd rather have my money be in stocks, right? I remember this initial jump. See this right here? This was a deposit of like 8K right here, right? We're at 3167, and then I deposited like 6 7K, and then I took it off because I'm like, no, I think I can do better in stocks, and I'll leave like around 1,000 2,000 bucks here, and I'll use that to grow my portfolio. And that's basically what I did, right? I started just trading, going pretty ham this year or this past year, just trading crypto. And you can see here that this is where it really started going and moving, right? I started running, it started this is where like we really started. Well, in the beginning, from March, I turned like 2K into like 20-ish K by like around May. And then from here, I started going, it kind of went sideways, and then I started really going ham again. And that's when I really started, moving crypto. And then here is when I thought the whole market was going to crash in September. So I sold everything and then I bought it back. But then, I kept running. And then here I actually hit a peak high of 86K, I think. When was my peak high? Yeah, 86K. I had a peak high of 86K. But this is kind of basically what happened in 2021. I deposited an initial investment of like 2K, and I really started pushing hard on crypto and trading it. I grew my account from 2K to like, actually right now overall, because I did withdraw a lot of money from my Coinbase wallet, right? So I have another 13.5K that I spent on strong nodes. I currently have 3 strong nodes. That's making like $3,500 to $4,000 a month passively. I bought my first NFTs, which I spent a full Ethereum on. I have about, I think, $8,000 in my KuCoin account. So, I mean, as of right now, I think I have close to 90 to like 100K account. And that all happened in 2021 from I think like 2 3 grand that I initially invested into crypto. And it's just really been growing ever since because I started really going ham into crypto. And I think recently what I've been really doing is just what is it called? I think for the long-term crypto portfolio, I think, I wouldn't really ham. I think right now what I'm going to start doing is instead of investing in micro caps, I'm actually going to invest in really good companies. Instead of investing, for example, in the Ethereum and just Ethereum by itself, I'm going to do Ethereum 3L, which is a 3x leverage position on KuCoin. And I think, when it comes to crypto that you really believe in, right? Crypto that you like, for example, if there was a 3L version of Crow, I would remove this 19.3K that I have in Crow, and I would 100% put it in the 3L, right? Because I think Crow is going to be ridiculously huge in the next 5 to 10 years, right? I've already told you guys plenty of times. I think that essentially, I have, what is it called? It's my millennial 401k is what I like to call it. I think Crow is going to be huge, and not necessarily because of the crypto, but I really believe in the business a lot. I think crypto.com is going to be a really huge exchange in the next 5 to 10 years, potentially overtaking Binance, right? At least in my opinion, or at least it can match it. I think it's going to grow a lot. I definitely think it deserves to be more than, I think it's like a $20 billion market valuation or crypto market cap for its coin, or 15 billion. I think crypto.com should be at least at least 50 to $100 billion coin. And from here, that would kind of give you maybe like a 5.5 6x from here, right? But yeah, I've been getting a lot of questions recently. I mean, I don't mind being transparent. I would do it for stocks too and stuff. But I don't like really like showing how much I have or how much I've grown to, because I do have, there are some people on this app that, that I do know in like real life. So I do have a couple of family members that happen to know what my account are, or what my accounts are. So I don't like making these videos all that much, because I don't like knowing how much I've made or how much I can, how I can grow certain things, right? right? I don't like when people know that. I'm a very private person. So, I'll make this video once and then I'll probably make another video at the end of 2022 just to kind of see what, how I've grown or if it's been stable or if I lost anything or whatever. But, I don't really like to make these videos a lot because I don't like sharing my, my business too much or, how much, what the scale is of things, right? But yeah, I basically grew this. I grew like 2, 3, 4K. I don't remember what the deposit was. To like essentially like an over 100K balance on Coinbase. And there's a lot of people that started with me on YouTube where I really started trading. Definitely Shiba Inu helped a whole bunch. I think I made like 20-30K off of Shiba Inu by itself. I made a lot of Doggy, but that's completely different. That was all on Robinhood. That wasn't on Coinbase. But yeah, just for those asking, this is what my portfolio is now. I think I have like my overall crypto portfolio is a lot bigger. This is just what I have on Coinbase specifically. But do I have, we can get rid of, that's my TikTok or whatever, but we can go on KuCoin. KuCoin right now, that's my portfolio on KuCoin, right? I have around almost $8,500 in KuCoin. So what is it? 62 plus 85. So like right now, just my Coinbase portfolio, just my crypto portfolio where I actually hold stuff, it's about 70K, right? These are my positions. I have Atom 3L, I have ADA 3L, Sushi, and then Uni. I actually bought $3,500 worth of Atom. That's almost, we're getting close to hitting that 100% return on Atom. I think Atom's gonna keep running more than likely to like 44, 50, maybe $70. I don't know yet, but yeah, this is kind of what I hold, right? This is my full crypto portfolio and where I started at the beginning of the year, where I am now, and then we'll see what happens, right? We don't know what's going on, but we'll see what happens. Definitely, there's a small little push on all cryptos right now, but for those asking, yes, this is my portfolio. That's how much I started with, how much I grew it to, and I might make another one at the end of 2022. Who knows? But I don't like really sharing this kind of stuff. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.